Yo, what up? What up? Got a little something for you to chew on. Oh yeah, what's that? This mural, man. Let me tell you about this mural. You want me to chew on a mural? No, man. To chew on means to think about, to reflect. Man, just listen. All right, my bad. I want to tell you about one of the most super delicious murals you will ever see. This mural is called LA History, a Mexican Perspective. It depicts the rich and diverse history of Los Angeles. The good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. Hold up, don't you want to get rid of the bad and ugly? No, you need all of it. As a matter of fact, when Barbara Carrasco first created the mural, wait, who's she? The artist, man. Who else you think creates the mural? Anyway, when she first created this masterpiece, they wanted her to get rid of all the controversial stuff. But she was like, nah, homie. This was history from her perspective. This was the stuff that she wished was in the history books. And you know them books be leaving stuff out. You right. But she refused to censor her work. She kept it real, cause that's the history we need. Let me put it to you like this. Break it down for the people one time. See, I'm a man of faith. When I see Sister Barbara's mural, it reminds me of my own story. Just like LA got history, God and I got history. Now when God paints my history, nothing is left out. Nothing? Oh, it's all there. I feel you. See, there's some good stuff, but there's also some controversial stuff. And if I'm ever gonna grow, if I'm ever gonna learn, yes sir, oh, I need it all. That's right, that's right. See, the present and the future, need the past. Make it plain. Oh, the concept is simple. See, the past prepares you for the present, and propels you to the future. Yes, sir. Sister Barbara's mural challenges us to reflect on our struggles, celebrate our successes, and dance in our diversity. Preach, preacher! And that is why this is one of the most super delicious murals you will ever see. I hear no lies. No lies were said.